front wheel removal and refitment. A long road trip is always fun and full of adventure. It also means being prepared, like knowing how to remove and refit the front wheel of your motorcycle. You may need to do it if there is a puncture, if the wheel is not rotating freely, or if you feel it is wobbling or making noise due to lack of lubrication. Here are a few simple and easy steps to remove and refit the front wheel. First, check if you have all the tools required for this in your toolkit. Additionally, you will require these as well. Ensure the motorcycle is in an upright position on a firm and flat surface. Place the jack under the engine frame and lift the motorcycle so that the front wheel is off the ground by 15 cm. Remove the left-hand side fork pinch bolt with a 6 mm Allen key. Use a front spindle adapter at left-hand side to remove the spindle using a 24 mm spanner fitted to an extension tube. Remove the spindle from the wheel hub and front fork left-hand side assembly. Gently lower the wheel such that it comes out of the fork legs. Remove left-hand side and right-hand side spacers from front wheel hub. Insert left-hand side and right-hand side spacers in front wheel hub. Slowly position the front wheel assembly between the brakes and locate its position. Align the wheel hub into fork assembly. Insert spindle from right-hand side and insert it completely. Tighten the spindle using adapter at the left-hand side with 24 mm spanner fitted to the extension tube. Tighten the fork pinch bolt firmly on left-hand side using 6 mm Allen key. Tighten the fork head bolt assembly on left-hand side using a spindle adapter. And rotate the wheel to check for smooth rotation. Remove the jack from under the engine frame. We also recommend that you visit a Royal Enfield service center to get the bolts tightened to recommended torque at your convenience. Now that you have learned how to remove and refit your front wheel, you can confidently hop on your motorcycle for your next adventurous trip.